Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I can recreate Ochaco on Dress to Impress. I'm going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. Hopefully I remember. For the hair, I just used this in the color brown. I think I might also add this one too, with the no bangs toggle here. And just position it a little bit. Actually, I'll just position it the same. Then I use this hair in no bangs in brown. Same color. For the bangs, I use this hair here, the magical girl hair, in bangs only, no adjustments made. For the earphones, headphones, I use these ones, obviously, in white, and then in this pink color, and then in this pink color as well. Position the Y at 0.48 and scaled it to 0.41. For this, I went to the world culture area here in the dressing room, this one here. Colored it this color for everything. Positioned the Y at 0.61, Z 0.45 and scaled it to 0.71. For the outfit, I did something super simple. You do need VIP for this. I used this top here and I colored it, I think this color first, in just silk. And then I did this color 2B333B for both in silk as well here. And then for the sleeves, I used, where is it? This in that color in silk, and then in light silk, this lighter color. And then I used these sleeves from the Valentine's Day area in silk and in this color DD787C, and then in that light color again in silk, light silk. Then I used these sleeves in just sleeves in that color in light silk, and then the rest I just did this color like that. Then for the shoes, I used these ones from Codes. I used this color in FFDCDD, and the rest I just did that darker color in silk. And then for the pants, I used these in this color in silk. And I also used the leggings in type 3, same color in silk as well. You can add more stuff if you'd like to make it more decorative, but this is just the base that I'm doing. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!